Orecchiette pasta with sautéed cannellini beans and zucchini. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons olive oil, half each brown onion, finely chopped, 3 each garlic cloves, finely chopped, 2 each zucchini, medium, half-inch cubes, 2 14.28 ounces cans cannellini beans, rinsed and drained, 2 14.28 ounces cans Petite Peeled Date Tomatoes, in puree. To taste salt and black pepper. 12 ounces, dry Orecchiette pasta, cooked al dente. Garnish Parmesan cheese, shaved. 1 tablespoon fresh basil, chiffonade. In a large saucepan, heat oil over medium heat. Add onions and garlic, and sauté until translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add zucchini and continue to cook for an additional 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add cannellini beans and carefully stir in the Petite Peeled Date Tomatoes. Bring sauce to a boil, and then reduce down to a simmer. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Continue to cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Check seasonings. Toss the sauce with cooked orecchiette pasta, garnish with Parmesan cheese and basil, and serve.